Hi everybody, it's Maggie back with another DIY video. Okay, so I've had this desk in my office and for quite a while. As you guys can see, it is an antique pretty much because they don't make these anymore. And I decided it was looking, it needed a little upgrade. So I decided that I was going to sand it, clean it off, and stain it again. So here I am. First thing I did was take all the handles off. Take all the handles off the drawers. Then I think I wiped it clean and I used a sander to sand it clean. Now, one of the things I want you guys to note here, I have had no formal training on doing any of these things. What I've done is just from how I think it should be done, or I've seen other videos with it being done. So, I'm just like a everyday person just trying to survive and just trying to help others, who might be struggling in any kind of way with, getting little projects done or having the money to get, like to change furniture, to buy a better looking desk. You may have one of these and, you want a better looking desk, but you can't really afford it right now. So I'm just a girl who's trying to help you make a little upgrade to what you already have. Okay, so if you keep looking here, you'll see that I will take off all the things, and then see, I took out all the drawers, I took off all the handles, is what I was trying to remember. So now I'm gonna use a sander and I'm gonna sand it, get everything, so it looks like just plain wood by the time I get done. And I bought this sander here, and in this video was actually the first time that I used it. So you might see, I may not hold it properly or anything, but hey, I'm just trying. I'm trying to show you how you can do it too. Always make sure you wear a mask when you're doing this, because this little sander kicks up a lot of dust and you don't want to keep breathing that stuff in. So always wear some type of a mask to protect yourself. And this sander was, like I said, this is the first time I used it. So I bought a cheap one, simple one. It didn't have anything fancy to go with it. It was very simple. And as I discovered, it was easy to use. So now I put this solution on it. It's a citrus. No, I'm sorry. That is it was like like spirits that you add to paint. So what I did, I used that and I wiped down the whole desk before I actually put the stain on. So yeah, so that's what you see me doing there. So you could clean off any dust or any other residue that is on the desk. That's what it will do. Okay, so this is what it looks like after you finish cleaning off all the residue from it. So then I take a rag and I dip the rag in the stain, and I just rub it, or I might just pour some on the table as you see me doing there. However, whatever works for you. And I just rub it evenly around the entire surface. And you see it will change a color, it changes color a little bit, and it starts taking on a different look. So yeah, there you go. I put some more on, and right, so just look at how the top already looks different to how it looked when I first started it. So see, this is it's a little slightly darker stain. What gives it, to me, it gives the whole desk a totally different look. It looks like a newer desk. So if you have old furniture, don't throw it away yet until you've tried something like this. Trust me, all you would have to do is, if you don't have a sander, you can buy a sander, or you can use the sandpaper and do it by hand. So all you would probably have to do is buy a container stain, and this container that I'm using, I can't remember how much it costs because I've used it for several other projects, and it's been a while since I bought it because I store all my things in my storeroom, and they stay pretty well. So I can't remember, but I don't think it should be more than $20. And if you use it sparingly, you could use it on several projects, which saves you a whole bunch of money. So anyway, I'm almost done. We're almost to the end of this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys learned something where you can try and take some of your furniture rather than throwing it away, where you can, do something and revive it and make it look a little bit better and maybe keep it a little bit longer. So remember guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button. If you want to share this with somebody, feel free to do so. And remember, I post every Friday. So every Friday you can look forward to another DIY video on a budget from me. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next Friday. Okay, bye now.